Scan for SOVI, your AI bestie. I got your back. Velocity graphs reveal exactly when a rocket reaches its peak height, so let us break down this calculus problem quickly to find the correct answer right now. The rocket's height is the integral of velocity. It increases when velocity is positive and decreases when velocity is negative. We look for where the velocity graph crosses the time axis. Since the rocket moves upward while velocity is positive and downward when negative, the maximum height occurs exactly when the velocity switches from positive to negative at time t equals 6. At t equals 6, the rocket stops climbing and begins to fall. Anytime after 6, the negative velocity subtracts from the total height, confirming 6 is the time of maximum. Smart move! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Avoid the trap of picking end times. Always find the zeros and verify the sign.